are the examples of light energy. First, the natural sources such as sunlight. It enters through our window. It gives us light during daytime. Stars. It gives us light during nighttime. Lightning. We see this sometimes when it's raining hard. Firefly. We see this in the forest or outside our garden. Artificial. Sources of light energy are light bulb and lampshade. It gives us light. Inside our home, television, cell phone, and laptop. We use these appliances and gadgets when we are working, watching, or browsing. Flashlight and candle are used glowing brown out. And gas range help us in cooking our food. Examples of sound energy are radio. This gives us news information and also if we want to listen to music. Guitar, piano, and drums are some of musical instruments. A clock is a clock that is designed to alert us a specified time. Ceiling fan. Sometimes it releases soft sound when it turns on. Talking used for communication. The importance of sound and light to the environment. Both natural and artificial light affects our life on Earth. Not just by giving it from the sun, but enables us to use our sense of sight. It affects our mood and enhances our well-being. Light is also used by plants, which capture the light energy from the sun and use it to produce food. Light also gives us air to breathe. On the other hand, energy is also important. It envelops us and accompanies us in our daily life. We use our sense of hearing. This helps us how to react to what we hear from the sound of nature, objects, and actions. Based on how we take care of our environment. First, by planting and watering plants because they give us air to breathe and also food to eat. Second, instead of using a light bulb every morning, use natural light from the sun. Third, turn off the appliances when not in use so we can conserve energy at home. And lastly, avoid listening to loud sounds to lessen noise pollution outside. These are sounds of A and E. Short A sounds are gas, lamp, flashlight, alarm, clock, guitar, and stars. In long A sound, we have radio, rain shade. Short A sounds are television and cell phone. Long A sounds are ceiling fan and people talking. Thank you.